cup, baby, just to let me down, let me down. I'm driving along in my car. I don't have to go very far. I'm listening to the radio, baby. Oh, yes, I do. Why don't you build me up by the cup? I'm driving on the wrong side of the road. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, hey, hey. Not to drink! Oh shit, a car! Ah! Let me down! Worst of all, say you will. I need you! Oh shit, curb! Ah! Oh! Ah! Whoa, okay, here we go!
Mostly sunny Monday, that's what you'll wake up to. 86 the high, says Mr. G. Good morning from CBS FM. This is Billy Joel.
Oh shit, look, a building. 10 gardens, Look, on the radio. Billy Joel, see? Yeah, so I'm driving, right? And everything's going so good. And I'm not sure what's going on. But I'm not paying attention. Oh, shit! Ah! Oh, fuck, look. I crashed. I crashed into an inanimate object. I don't know what inanimate means, but I better get out and check the car. Oh, shit. Look, dumpsters. I crashed into dumpsters. Why? Because I wasn't paying attention. Because I'd rather film shit that ain't on the road. Oh, fuck. I'm screwed. What am I gonna do? I don't know. Ah! Fuck me. Shit. Fuck. Shit. I'm sorry. It's all my fault. I gotta go.